What's up, YouTube? So this video is for anybody experiencing the classic rattle, knocking, whatever noise you really want to call it, coming from your suspension on the Chrysler 300. This is a 05 Chrysler 300 touring edition. Yeah, so here's the old Sway Bar Bushings. As you can see, they don't look too bad, actually. Like, there's not a lot of really wear. I actually just replaced these about 2 years ago. So yeah, these are 2-year-old bushings. And the noise coming from underneath the car was so bad that it actually felt like, or it sounded like it was maybe my struts, my upper lower control arms. Let's see if you can see them. Here's the new ones. So I think there's the other one, but yeah, then it's not too hard to do. You just need to move that bolt, and then I don't know if you can see it, but there's 2 bolts keeping the sway bar bushing in place behind this like aluminum plate, whatever. So yeah, I think I used maybe an 8mm to remove the plate, and for the sway bar bushing bolts, I want to say maybe a where is it at? I don't know where it's at, but maybe a 18mm. Yeah, I think it was the 18mm to remove it. Like I said, my knocking was really bad. Like I said, it sounded like it was something really major wrong with my front end. And as anybody knows, Chryslers or any car similar to Chryslers, I think Chargers, they're all notorious for front ends being suspect. So yeah, if you have a knocking noise or a rattle noise that sounds like a major suspension job, this usually will solve the problem. Not always. It could be something else, like I said, like your control arms or your struts or your tie rods. But before you go fixing any of those, try these. These were, I think, $14 at O'Reilly's. Sometimes you can get them for, I think, like $9. These were 14. So the brand is Moog. Anybody who know about Moog know this is a pretty good brand for anything. So yeah, that's it. 05 Chrysler 300. Rattling noise, knocking noise. Anytime I hit a small bump, didn't matter. So, and it fixed it. There's no noise. It's completely gone. So, hope this helps anybody out there, and have a good day. Later.